Hi viewers, I'm Asma and you are watching your own art channel Virtuoso Palette. Today I have brought another series of paintings that is on different kinds of silhouettes as they are based on colors through symbols. So let's go to look, watch and observe. This is the third painting on silhouettes through colors by Virtuoso Palette. As you can see viewers that my stencil of an image is already there. I am applying black in it with just a bit of ultramarine blue. As the base, the first layer is almost black. And now just to give it a galaxy touch, I am applying violet, magenta pink, some orange, using a sponge, and of course a sprinkle of white. I'm using primary blue and chrome yellow for the green I want on the trampoline. Actually, it's a girl enjoying the trampoline, exploring the colors of galaxy. As I told you in the previous video, I believe that green is a color for growth, renewal, rebirth. That is why the trampoline has shades of green. Now I'm taking off the stencil and will reverse the stencil to block the girl. Here I'm using primary blue with white for the background. Creating some layers of light and dark. Because a galaxy can symbolize creativity, your goals more attainable, aspirations, and the patterns of tomorrow you are shaping through your beliefs. So the girl has the galaxy inside her. I'm blending the shades of blue. Now you know all about blue. I've been telling you about the characteristics of blue color. A blend of white and blue, primary blue it is, and I'm going to fill the mini canvas with these tones of blue. More white for a lighter tone. more blending in the layers. Now I need to give the trampoline a foundation. Using a palette knife, applying medium green. Now I think using a thin brush, I should elaborate these. There you go. This is it, and then I'm just going to remove the stencil. There you go. Viewers, do give me your comments on this idea by Virtuoso palette. Bye! Viewers, hope you enjoyed the combination of colors. So, see you in the next video. Don't forget to watch, subscribe, comment and share. See you!